Welcome to a Suffolk Sifter mystery unboxing video. Had a package arrived this morning. The clue to you is it came from Regton Ltd. And I must compliment Regton on their speedy delivery. It was ordered yesterday afternoon and it arrived to me this morning. So thank you so much for your speedy delivery. I'm just going to crack right into it. We're not going to faff about, and it'll just be what you get in the box and of course what machine it is. Thanks for joining me, and let's get opening the box. Okay, we'll get straight into the unboxing of my mystery parcel. Came from Regton, so thanks Regton. Speedy delivery. Well, I get one shot at this because you can only unbox once. Okie dokie, let's see where we're going to go in. Do an incision in the back. Hopefully this is going to be okay because I was going to do it outside, but we've got a maniac with a saw, so I'll have to do it inside. Ooh, looking good. Like a kid. There we are, that's the secret. Oh dear. The box, the sellotape box. Right. That's the mystery reveal. Nice secure packaging. I can't get into it. Let me in. Right, there we go. It is the Apex, the Garrett Apex. New machine from Garrett. I'm privileged to be one of the first to have the first shipment that came into Regton's. So for that I am truly thankful. It comes with the MS3s, which are the wireless headphones. So I'm just going to unbox it and see what you would see when you get yours, and then I'll put it together in another video and then I'll crack into a test. Okay, it's nicely boxed to start with for transport. The main bit here is what we all need to see. Nice thin display. That looks good, the grip feels good. Got headphones over here. These are the Garrett wireless headphones. The MS3s. So basically I'll be a newbie with all this, metal detecting. Some people say I still am a newbie, but I normally use the XP Dias, but I'm going to start from scratch with the Garrett. Nice bottom stem, top and bottom stem. It's all sort of pins up there obviously. My last dealing with Garrett was a ACE 250, so there you go. That's fully adjustable, and you've got the fitting there to tighten that up. So obviously that goes onto the top control unit. Hopefully this is a releasable clip. We've got nothing to cut it with. This will be the coil under here. Let's tease this out. There we go, it's a lovely little coil with cover. That's the Garrett Viper multi-flex coil. And here we've got the instructions, which we all read, don't we? We all read the instructions. quick start guide to get you going. And your leads, just like a charging lead, and you got the manual for the MS3s. So all good, all secure, all packaged very well, no dings, dents or breakages. So to recap and to stop you getting bored with this, that's the main bit, and the stem. The MS3s, a very sexy Viper coil, leads and coil cover. So there we go, excitement over. I've unboxed it, I'll put it together and we'll have a little play, and then I'll do another video and I'll see how we get on with it. I'm going to be totally new to this machine, never ever used one before, so come with me and we'll go along this journey together and see if it's truly a switch on and go machine. Look forward to doing a video, and keep your eye open for the video of the test of the Garrett Apex. Okay, well, you've seen what was in the box, and now you know the mystery of the box, and the mystery of the box is Garrett Apex. See if I can get this on camera. There she blows, fully assembled. I like the display, it's very thin, the grip's good, and then the bottom there is that very sexy Viper coil. Now I've compared weight with the Apex and the Deus, which I normally use, and there is 200 grams difference in it, and the heavy one out of the two is the Apex by 200 grams. Not a lot in it, I doubt you would notice it, but just to let you know, there is a weight difference. But I'm not going to be comparing it to the Deus because that's unfair. It's never a machine to go up against the Deus. What I would like to do is show you what it can do from a newbie point of view, which is me, because I've never had an Apex before. The last Garrett I had was a 250 Ace. It'll be interesting to see how this stacks up. This one came with the wireless headphones. That's the Garrett Z-Link MS3s. The on-off button there, there's a battery indicator and a light LED to tell you when you're connected, and on the other side is the volume control. Quite comfortable, but again, I'm not going to keep harking back to the Deus because I've used back phones and these come, you know, they feel a bit different, obviously. So the next video will be me using the Garrett Apex. Now I do have a session, detecting session to go to tomorrow with Extreme Metal Detecting UK, and we'll see how it is on the fields. I will take the Deus, but I'll give this a fair crack and we'll see how it compares. So that's it, that's just an unboxing. That's what you get in the box. You can go wireless headphones, or you can save a bit of money and go without. There is a jack plug on the back, or you can put in some fixed headphones, totally up to you, but we'll see how it stacks up. So thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you in the next video.